401k contribution rules and a sole proprietorship. Hey everyone, Adam Bergman here, tax attorney, founder of IRA Financial. Today's video, I'm going to explain to you how the solo 401k contribution rules work if you are a sole proprietorship. So what's a sole proprietorship? Well, essentially anyone who's in business that doesn't have an entity like an LLC or corporation defaults to being a sole proprietor. A sole proprietor reports their income on a Schedule C, which is associated with the 1040 tax return. So when it comes to making solo 401k contributions, which is really the biggest advantage of setting up a solo 401k plan. Why? Because in 2022, you can put away $61,000 or $67,500 if you're over 50. And that's broken down into two components. Employee deferral, which is $20,500 or $27,000 if over 50, or profit sharing, which is 20% of the net Schedule C. So if you're a sole proprietor, a couple things you gotta keep in mind. Okay, number one, deadlines. When you make employee deferrals or profit sharing, you are able to make those contributions up until you file your tax return, which is April 15th or October 15th with extension. Whereas if you had an S Corp or C Corp, the employee deferrals, that $20,500 or $27,000 if you're over 50, would be due December 31. The other thing to remember is the profit sharing is 20%. You may see the number 25% in some blogs or other videos I've done. That only applies to corps or multiple member LLCs, not sole proprietors. So in sum, sole proprietors, solo 401ks were essentially designed for you. Your net Schedule C, so when you take your revenues, your business, and your expenses, the net amount, which is subject to Social Security and FICA, that would dictate how much employee deferrals and profit sharing you can contribute. So real quick, if you made $100,000 net Schedule C and you're under 50, you can do $20,500 plus 20% of 100 or $40,500. Those contributions can be done up until you file your return, including extensions. If you want to learn more about how to set up a solo 401k for your sole proprietorship business, give us a call, shoot us an email. We have some of the smartest tax professionals who literally wrote the book on the solo 401k, and we'd love to help you out.